How you doing, guys? Welcome. Let's get straight into this. In this video, I just wanted to show you a nice little wallet that I got. You can see right there, wallet size. This is a card. This is a quarter. You can see the size of this. You just fit in your pocket. But reason I like this wallet, it's not really a wallet. Watch, I'll show you. It's a very nice screwdriver set. Very small, unique. This is the one that you use to tinker with your watches or phone or small electronic items you want to open up. It has a swivel top, so you could just hold there like this and then just twist. And then interestingly, it has 24 bits on it, everything from Phillips to flathead to stars. Yeah, everything that you need in a convenient little carrying case wallet size. So pretty cool, pretty interesting. What I like about it, it's everything's there. You want to use this Phillip right here, you just lift it up and take it out. When you're done with it, put it back easily. To put it in, unscrew the top. There's a certain key that goes in. See how it's not going in, but then you turn it slightly, it goes in all the way. And then tighten back, and then there it is. See? Pretty cool, simple. There it is, guys. The wallet screwdriver set. I have to say, there's not really a name brand to this. I got it, you know, um, just because I needed a small screwdriver set to be able to use. I take it to work with me. I, put it in my lunchbox and have it there when ready. Yeah, pretty simple. Not much to say about it, but simple little interesting tool. So if you guys have seen them, yeah, you can find them on eBay and other online retailers. But yeah, it's the 24 uh, wallet screwdriver set. I believe that's what they call it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks again.